Hey guys, welcome back. So what we're looking at today is reasoning about equations and tape diagrams, part 2. So part 1, we are in lesson 4 now. So draw a tape diagram to represent each situation. For some of the situations, you need to decide what to represent with a variable. So Diego has 7 packs of markers. Each pack has X markers in it. After Lynn gives him 9 more markers, he has a total of 30 markers. So we want to take and make our tape diagram. I'm going to do it up here so I have plenty of space. We know he's got 30 total in his amount that he has. We know Lynn gave him 9, and then he had 7 packs of markers with X in each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is our tape diagram. So we've got the 9 that she gave, and then 7 X's to represent the 7 boxes that all had the same amount. All right, for number 2, Elena is cutting a 30-foot piece of ribbon for a craft project. She cuts off 7 feet and then cuts the remaining piece into 9 equal lengths of X feet each. So in this case, once again, her total is 30. And this time she's cutting off 7. And then we've got 9 pieces. Whoops, wasn't trying to write 9. That are all the same length. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or approximately the same size. So that represents our 9 equal lengths of X feet. And here's our 7 feet she cut off of the total. All right, for number 3, a construction manager weighs a bundle of 9 identical bricks and a 7-pound concrete block. The bundle weighs 30 pounds. So I'm going to do number 3 down here. So 3. So we've got 30, once again, is our total. And we have 9 identical bricks. So 9 X's again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then our 1 box marked 7 pounds. All right, for number 4, a skating rink charges a group rate of $9 plus a fee to rent each pair of skates. A family rents 7 pairs of skates and pays a total of $30. So for number 4, once again, we've got our 30. And we have 7 same size boxes marked with our X for each of the fees for the family members. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the 1 box marked with a 9 for the group rate of 9 fee that they paid. And last but not least, number 5, Andre bakes 9 pans of brownies. 9 pans of brownies. He donates 7 pans to the school bake sale and keeps the rest to divide equally among his class of 30 students. So we're going to have the total here is 9. Now, rather than writing out 30 X's, I'm going to write out 30X in a box. It makes things a lot easier. And then her 1 box is 7. So that shows that he gave 7 of the pans away of the 9, and then he divided the rest by 30. All right, the next part. So finding these unknowns and things. Unknown is your key word for this lesson. So situations, diagrams, and equations. Match each situation in the previous activity is represented by one of the equations. Match each situation to an equation. Find the solution to each equation. Use your diagrams to help you reason. So we have 7x plus 9 equals 30. So looking back, where all did we have 7x's plus 9 equaling 30? Well, we had it here in situation 1, We had it here in situation 4. So 1 and 4. And if we solve that, so 7x plus 9 equals 30. We subtract 9. 7x equals 21. Divide by 7. X equals 3. For 30 equals 9x plus 7. So that's going to be situation 3 and situation 2. So 2 and 3. And so x is going to equal, well, we've got 30 equals 9x plus 7. We subtract the 7. 30 minus 7 is going to give us 23 equals 9x. 23 divided by 9. X equals 2.6. All right, and the last one, this one is going to be just for situation 5. It was our unique one with that 30x. And when we solve it, if we take 9 minus 7, we get 2. So we have 30x equals 2. It's supposed to be equals. Divide by 30. So x equals 1/15. So now what we want to do is, what does the solution tell us about our situations? So for the first situation, 3 markers in each pack. Second situation, 9 pieces of fabric, each 2.6 feet long. For the third one, each brick weighs about 2.6 pounds. The fourth one costs $3 to rent a pair of skates. And for the last one, each student receives 1/15 pan of brownies. So looking at what each of those situations, what their unknowns are representing for us. All right, so unknown, like I said, is your keyword for this lesson. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.